beautiful people, it's Rickita back on another video. Now, earlier I recorded a video, but I guess I had such a bad connection, and it's still storming now, but I guess I have a better connection now where you can be able to see my screen. The first half, you guys could not see my screen, and I really love the Walmart credit card with Capital One, so I definitely want to go over the 5 benefits of having that Walmart credit card. Now, I got this question from someone asking, is Walmart a good credit card? So is the Walmart credit card any good? And definitely it is good, especially if you spend money there, you shop there anyway. And I have been telling you guys, like, I've been getting into couponing like crazy and things like that. And I have so much stuff, you guys. And I go to Walmart and always get a lot of stuff for free. Like, while I'm shopping anyway to get things, I can get a lot of stuff for free. So I definitely love Walmart. And if you're shopping at Walmart, like I said, you may as well just get their credit card. So let's go over some of these benefits of having the Walmart credit card. So first off, let me say that the Walmart credit card, they don't have an annual fee at all. So I like that. They don't have an annual fee at all. So $0 annual fee. And then you guys can earn 5% cash back on Walmart.com. And that's for pickup or delivery. So pickup and delivery, no matter what you're doing, you're going to be able to get that 5% back. So if you're doing the pickup and the delivery, now I always pick up groceries, at least $200 a month in groceries at Walmart. So just think about, okay, you have the Walmart credit card. That means that you're getting an extra $10 just to pick up your groceries from there. I also do Instacart, and I pick up groceries using Instacart because I get that cash back too. But I definitely love Walmart.com. I love to be able to pick up groceries. So with you having that credit card, you're going to get that 5% back from picking up your groceries. So that's really good. And so just think, every $100 that you're spending, you're going to be able to get $5 back. So that's like free money to me. Now, you guys are going to get that 5% back at Walmart.com. And then also you're going to get the 2% back at the stores that be inside of Walmart, like the restaurants, and then also their fuel stations. Walmart have their own gas stations. So if you're using one of their gas stations, then you're going to get 2% back there. And anywhere else that you're shopping, you're going to get 1% back. So you can use this credit card for multiple things. It don't necessarily have to be just MasterCard. Not MasterCard. It don't have to be, just using at Walmart. If you're using anywhere MasterCard is accepted, you're going to get 1% back, which is something I really love. Now, when it comes down to the Walmart credit card, understand that it is with Capital One. So you can't necessarily say, is the Walmart credit card any good? Is the Capital One Walmart Rewards credit card any good? Because the company that has the credit card is actually Capital One. So if you guys had a problem with Capital One in the past, like say you messed up with them, you didn't pay what you had to pay and it's charged off on one of your previous credit cards, it may be harder for you to get this credit card. But if you guys did not mess up with them, it may be a great chance that they can actually approve you. So I would suggest that you guys go ahead and see if you can get pre-approved for this credit card. So pre-approval means that they're going to tell you yes or no on whether or not they can get a credit card without giving you a hard inquiry. So I love that. So check and see if you can get pre-approved for it. They do have skip pre-approval and apply now. Understand that's going to be a hard inquiry. In Capital One, they pull all 3 credit bureaus. I'd rather you know yes or no on whether or not they can give you that credit card before you just apply for it. And when you guys get your rewards, you can redeem it back for cash to cover your purchases when you're shopping at Walmart.com. Also, you can redeem it for gift cards and redeem it for flights, hotels, and more with their travel, with Capital One Travel. You are dealing with Capital One, so you have $0 fraud liability. If you have any type of fraud on your account, you can call them and say, hey, I have some fraud. They'll take care of it. So you definitely will have that. You can lock your card. So if you maybe misplaced it or something, you can just easily lock it. So that's another great benefit. And you'll have that Capital One mobile app, which is really good. So if you guys ever need to pay your bill, you can do anything through the app, basically. You can even ask for an increase. I tell people with that Capital One credit card, every month I was asking for an increase. Can I get an increase? Can I get an increase? And I basically got more increases than people that did not ask. So it's like, ask and you shall receive. You'll have a greater chance of getting increases. So yeah, definitely check out this credit card. I do have it on my website, Rickita.com. You guys can always search, like right here at the top in the right hand corner. You can always search a lot of credit cards right here on my website. And you can see I have a full video on the credit card. But the thing I really like most about my website is that you can see other people that got it. So somebody said that they applied for the Capital One Walmart Rewards MasterCard last night, and they got approved for $1,000 starting limit. They said that they locked their Experian in their Equifax report, so they only got one hard inquiry on TransUnion, which is really good because, like I said, they're going to pull all 3 credit bureaus. So that was really good that they did that, and that was DJ. But you cannot, like, when you see things like this, it's not going to work for everybody. You can try and see if it's going to work, but sometimes they may tell you need to unlock it. So just keep that in mind. Like, well, I thought you said no. That's what they said. They did, and it worked for them. Somebody else put on my YouTube channel, I got approved for $3,000. I also have another credit card with Capital One for $3,000. She says she's so happy. I'm happy for you. She said, I also filed for bankruptcy a year and a half ago and included Capital One in my bankruptcy. So I really love that right there. They included Capital One in their bankruptcy, and they still was able to get this credit card, so which is really good. And somebody else said that Walmart pre-qualified them. They got approved for $300 on a store card. I don't care. Everybody's situation is different. When you guys are able to get a credit card, to me, it's a win. And if you don't get the limit that you want when you apply for Capital One, then you can always call them and ask them for an increase. Do not feel ashamed to call them. Like, call them and say, hey, can I get an increase? That's what they're there for. And then also you'll be able to see like other credit cards that's similar. Like if you can get that Capital One credit card, then you could possibly get these. The one I like right here is the Discover It Cashback. I love my Discover card. So definitely check out some of these other credit cards that's on the list. And again, you should be able to see like different things like this. Love my Discover It credit card. Started with $2K. Thank you. Started with $1,000. Increase of $600 in 2 months. And they have Fair Credit now. And they said they also have the Walgreens MasterCard. So definitely check that out. Discover, they have the 0% APR for 15 months. And you can also go to Capital One's website and see if they can approve you for any other credit cards. So yes, definitely a lot of them on here. And if you have any questions or you want to see like the answers to these questions, then definitely you can push them down to like see like the different answers they have to these different questions. But look around the website. You can search any credit card here. So say if you like the Apple card, then go ahead and search Apple. And I should have a video for almost all the credit cards I talk about. So here's an Apple credit card. Let's click on it. Okay, yep, here's the Apple card in the full review. Again, it's a full video on Apple card. You can apply for it. The free downloadable guide, that's for those people that, like, if you working towards getting a certain card, then you can download that and you can apply right through there for the credit card. Plus, you'll be able to see similar credit cards. So it's basically everything that's on here in a downloadable guide. So you can just have it at any time. You don't have to come back to the website. You just have it. So somebody said, I just got approved for the Apple card. And they said they was doing the Apple treat. They got approved for $2K. That is really good. Hey, Rickita, got approved for the Apple card. I have 5 accounts now reporting to the bureaus. That's good. That means that you probably, to get the Apple card, you probably need to have some type of accounts reporting. And then also somebody said they got $2,500 limit and their FICO scores are 647. So that is really good. So definitely check these different things out. Check out the similar credit cards. And if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to answer those for you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.